rhythm, it's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Everyone keeps asking, who is the #1 Jamaican prank channel? But here's the problem. Most people are guessing. They're going off vibes, popularity, or who they like. But today, we're using real data. Upload consistency, recent views, content style, and estimated earnings. And trust me, the results might surprise you. Now, quick disclaimer. This is not about disrespect. This is about who is consistent, who is getting views right now, and who is actually winning the YouTube game. Because on YouTube, old success doesn't matter. It's about what's happening today and who's winning now. Let's start with Life with King Shay. From the screenshots, 23K views 8 days ago, 15K views 9 days ago, 7.2K views, 12K views, 16K views. That's very solid consistency. They're averaging roughly 10K to 20K per videos. Now let's talk earnings. Assuming their RPM is $5 to $6 per 1,000 views, that means 15K views equal $45 to $60 per RPM. Weekly uploads, 120 to 200 per month. AdSense alone. That's not massive, but stable. They're more lifestyle storytelling than hardcore pranks, which means less viral spikes, more loyal audience. But now, we step into someone completely different. Now this is interesting. Tixi TV, 52K subscribers, 540 plus videos. But look at the views, 1.7K, 2.7K, 3K, 9K, one spike, 90K 3 months ago. This is what we call inconsistent performance. Let's look at the earnings breakdown. Most videos, 2K to 5 views, that's average $4 to probably $5. Even with uploads, monthly earning is likely under 100 or a little over 150 US. This tells us something very important. Volume does not equal success. 540 videos, but no strong repeatable formula. Now let's move into the big players. This is where things get serious. See Miller TV, 189K subscribers. Recent uploads, for 4.7K views 19 hours ago. 13K views, 11K, 14K, 17K, 10K. This is strong consistency. Average 10K to 20K views per video. Estimated earnings, 15K views, $30 to $60. Frequent uploads, 300 to 800 USD per month. AdSense only, and that's not including sponsorships and brand deals. Strong prank content, relatable Jamaican couple dynamic, consistent posting, but not many explosive viral videos. So they're consistent, but are they #1? Let's go deeper. Now this is a different league. Shane and Liana, 2.1 million subscribers. Recent videos, 109K views, 82K, 136K, and 93K views. Earning estimates, with global audiences, RPM ranging for $4 to $8, 100K views equal $400 to $800. That's their monthly salary. Strong thumbnails, high production quality, global appeal. But they're not strictly a prank channel anymore. They've evolved into challenges, story videos, entertainment content. So now we move to the final contender. Now this is a powerhouse. Kristen Reafe, 1.4 million subscribers. Recent views, 34K, 29K, 54K, 81K, 44K, 84K. Very strong consistency. Estimated earnings, 50K views, they're probably earning around They're probably earning around 3,000 to 10,000 monthly. High CTR thumbnails, relationship-based pranks, emotional triggers. This is what drives views. So let's answer the question. Who is really number one? Number one, Kristen and Reafe. Best balance of views, consistency, prank content. Number two, Shane and Lana. Biggest brand, less prank focused. Number three, C. Miller TV. Most consistent, Jamaican based prank channel. Others, Life with King and Shay, steady but not dominant. Tixie TV, inconsistent. But here's the truth. The number one spot is always changing. One viral video and everything flips. So now I want to hear from you. Who do you think is number one? Be honest and tell me who runs Jamaican Prank YouTube right now. See you in the next video.